You're welcome to my channel. This is Vsmdesigns. Today I'm going to show you how I made this confusing star pocket. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right below this video and turn on the notification bell. If you're a returning fan, thank you for checking back. Let's go straight to the tutorial. I have cut my gum into the shape that I want it, and I'm going to use the size of this ruler to form another shape inside of the gum, and I want to form a similar shape to the one outside. I'm going to hand sketch this place. You can just give it any shape of your choice. It must not be this particular shape. Just give it any beautiful shape that you can. Then I like to fold and cut. This is it. This is the fabric I'm going to gum them on. I'll gum this way and this other one this way. Yeah, I've just gummed both of them. Next is to trim the inner part of the pocket. Make sure you are giving allowance. After trimming it, you are going to notch this place. Make sure you notch here up to the gum. All the corners must be notched to the gum. While this curvy area, you don't notch them up to the gum. I'm going to fold the inner part just as you have seen. I folded it and added hemming gum to it to hold it on. I'm going to use this black fabric to form the star that you saw on the pocket. I am going to cut a strap. This is how I'm going to fold it. The fabric is not too long, so I'm going to cut two straps. I've folded them already, so let me cut them. I want to determine the center of this gum. I'm using my chalk to give a sign at the center. I will also fold this other side. I will mark it as well. So obviously you can see where the center is. This is the rough side of the strap. This is also the rough side. The rough side is going to face upwards. Remember that this is the center of the pocket. I'm going to place it this way. Don't forget that the rough part of the strap is facing upwards. I'll also place this one like this. I'm running the thread from that center. Make sure you don't have any allowance in between the two straps. Make sure that the spacing is closed and the two do not climb themselves. Then I'm going to fold them this way. Also fold this one like this. We have formed the first 2 points. So let me go and iron. I've ironed them. You can see how they are. I can see you are enjoying this video, but I would like you to touch that very like button. Drop a comment for me. Tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to share with your colleagues and friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified by YouTube. To do the second side, I am going to place this strap this way, like this. I'm going to run thread on it from the center. Make sure you're running it exactly at the center. Place this other one this way. Ensure that there's no space in between the two straps. Run thread on it. Then do the same thing you did on the very first one. I'm going to iron it down. Just take a closer look at it. It's so beautiful. Next, I placed the other gum that has opening on it on top of the design I've just made and ran thread all around it. And if you are running the thread, make sure you are being very careful. I trim all this off. Then I'm going to fold the pockets all around. Thank you for watching this video. You can now click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch other videos from my channel.